Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to install Ubuntu 24.04 version on a VirtualBox. Whether you are new to the Linux or just want to test Ubuntu without affecting your main system, this guide will take you step by step through the entire process. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the followings such as VirtualBox installed on your system. If you don't have, you can download it from official VirtualBox website, and a system with at least 4 GB of RAM and 20 GB of free disk space for your Ubuntu VM, a stable internet connection for downloading Ubuntu ISO file. So let's start by downloading the latest Ubuntu 24.04 ISO file. Open your browser and go to ubuntu.com. Here you can click download Ubuntu desktop. So it will show you latest version is 24.0.4.1. So we will be installing this version. So click on download. It will download the ISO file. I have already downloaded. And if you don't have the VirtualBox, go to this website Oracle VirtualBox and download from here and install it. This topic has been already covered in my previous video. So we move to the next step. Go to the VirtualBox, create a machine, click on new, give the name Ubuntu 24.04 version. It will be installed or created a folder in my C drive. This is the path. Select the ISO file Ubuntu and select the type Linux, and here Ubuntu, and click the version Ubuntu 64. Next, create a user. Create a hostname. I will give just Ubuntu, and next click on the hardware. I will recommend assigning at least 2 GB of RAM, but 4 GB would be ideal if your system allows. I will give 4 GB and at least 2 core CPU. 1 core is also would be fine. Now let's create a hard disk. So I will give 25 GB is the default one. I will not change anything. Select the VDA as a hard disk file type, and you will see here two options: pre-allocated full size and split into 2 GB parts. I will explain what it is. This will pre-allocated full size will immediately take up all the space you assign to the disk, and if you go with the dynamic, this will only use the disk space as needed, growing in the size as you add your data. To ensure your disk grows as needed, leave the pre-allocated full size option unchecked. which will be enable the dynamic allocated option. Click on finish. Your virtual machine is created. Now we need to mount the ISO file. ISO file we have already mounted. We have received some error. Let me reboot. Reboot not required. It loads the file now. We are getting a welcome screen. Let's wait. So we have received welcome screen. So let's start the installation process. Select your language and click next. Follow the installation prompt, such as setting your location, keyboard layout, and creating a user. Keyboard layout is selected English US. Click on next. So click on next. What do you want to do with Ubuntu install? Click on install Ubuntu. Click on next. Click on next. And this here also next. I'm selecting the default options as of now. Click on next. So here it will ask for this partition. You can choose the default option for simplicity or manually um, create the partition if you prefer. For this tutorial I will choose the default one and click on next. Create a username. I will give admin. Sysadmin. Create a user and click on next. Select the location. As of now I click on next. So it will create the partition. Click on install. It will take some time for copying the files. I will pause the video. We'll resume back once copying the files is completed. The installation has been completed. Now you can start using Ubuntu in a virtualized environment, whether for development, testing, or just exploring a Linux. I will restart the VM. Remove the ISO file. Go to device, optical drive, remove disk from virtual, and press enter. Your Ubuntu machine will get started. Ubuntu 24. started, let's log in with user. You have been successfully logged into the Ubuntu machine. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.